Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the dock and powering it. Plug the dock into a stable 5V USB source or the included adapter so current is steady. Once done, align each dual shock micro USB plug with the controller port. Don't force it. The connector sits in a keyed slot. Make sure dock LEDs light up for each bay so you know the unit is receiving power. Now insert the first controller until it clicks into the cradle and the LED ring begins charging. Next, you charge both controllers. Insert the second controller the same way, ensuring both are seated and LEDs respond. Why both? Balanced charging prevents one battery from sitting discharged for long periods, which improves battery health. Monitor LED colors. Amber or pulsing typically means charging, solid often means complete, because different docks use different signals. While charging, avoid pairing or software updates on your Ps4 that might draw extra current. Let the dock manage the current flow for efficient top-up. To finish, remove controllers when LEDs indicate full. Unplugging promptly prevents idle current flow and helps battery longevity. If a controller fails to charge, first swap bays and try another USB power source or known good cable to isolate the fault. If LEDs behave unpredictably, power cycle the dock and perform a controller reset by pressing the tiny reset button on the back. This addresses pairing or firmware glitches. Follow these steps and, if problems persist, test controllers on the Ps4 USB to confirm battery health.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.